Hello guys, good morning. As usual, in this video I will try just to highlight ideas in trading. Now ideas, it means what is it all about in trading? In trading, some stocks are going up, some stocks are going down. This is the problem. Now for you, what is it? Is to figure out which stocks are going up and which stocks are going down. Okay? A lot of theories. I don't say hundreds, but thousands of theories. It means when you go and read books about investing, about trading, about day trading, scalping, position trading, whatever you want. People they go stock, they go long, they use options, puts. Some they use call options. It means they try to do whatever it takes to succeed in order to find how to get money from these kind of stocks. Okay. In my own experience, this is what I found out, is that you try to see the sector itself, okay, the sector where the stocks are, because in the market, as you might know, if you don't know, I will just try to explain. In the market, it is divided into sectors. Now, a sector is just a group of industries, and in each industry you will find hundreds of companies together. Okay, they just put them together. They say, okay, this is a bank. Where do we put banks? Okay, we put them with like financial services or something. So they give an industry. Now all the stocks that you see are grouped into industries, and those few industries, they are nearly related to each other, and they are grouped into a bigger, wider category, which is a sector. Okay, let's say you take drugs sector. All the companies, biotechnology companies, pharmaceutical companies, a lot of kinds of companies grouped into industries. Now, where is the money? The money is when the whole industry or the whole sector is going up. Now, when it's going up, you try to go and search for those industries that are going up. Okay? How do you know? You just see the chart. If you don't know if the price is going up for months or for years, if you don't know how to figure out, this is a big problem, because it seems that you don't know how to trade, and this is another problem. Okay, so whenever you find an industry that is just beginning to go up, you will see that a lot of days are going up. In those days that mutual funds are buying. Now mutual funds, when they are buying, they don't buy in 1 day, 2 days, 3 days. Okay, they can't, because they have too much money, and it's just a shift of money in the stock market. It has nothing to do with the companies, with their earnings. Most of the time with the earnings, because you find companies, when the industry is going up, almost all the companies going up. So does it mean that all the companies they have good earnings, good management, good thing? No, it's just money movement. And people like me, I'm following the money movement. Where is money is put. Now, when I find an industry or a sector or something, I check all the sectors that are related, all the industries in the same sector. Sometimes you don't find all the industries going up at the same time. You find one or two or three going up and the others are down for a little bit. But most of the time they follow, they go up again. Now in each industry we have what we call the leaders and laggards. Now what are the leaders? The leaders are performing the same as the industry or above it. What does it mean? It means that when you see the chart for an index, which is an industry, you see the chart and you take the other chart of the leader, you find it the same. It means if the industry is going up, that stock is going up the same. You see the same thing going up for 3 days. You see the stock going up for 3 days. The stock goes down for 2 days. You see the industry go. It means that this is a leader. Okay, this stock and other stocks makes the index move upward. Now, what is the secret in this? It's just a mutual fund is buying. It has nothing to do with yes, the mutual funds are sometimes like selecting companies, yes, by fundamentals means, but it's not always true, because there are a lot of people are waiting for those industries to go up and then they buy. Those people, they follow the market in close. They don't, you know, it's not good to follow the market each day, like, because each day, 1 day up, 2 days down, 3 days up, so you can't see the picture like this. So you should go and see the big picture. What is it, the big picture? See like 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, what did happen? Okay? Is the stock going up or is it going down? If it is going down, it means there is a problem with the company and it might go down for many years, for 1 year or 2 years or 3, or maybe it could go down for a lot of decades because the company is losing money. Is losing money, and the investors are very clever guys. The investors, some with the big guys who have millions or billions of dollars, they understand better the company than us. Okay, so if he put $5 million into a company and he see the company is not doing well, he begin to take his money from this company and put it in another company. He will not wait 10 years in order to take his money, because it's over. If he put 5 million in a company and after 2 years or 3 years it becomes he has only 1 million, he lost 80% of his money. So it's too much. So those guys are hiring experts to look for the companies and to see what's wrong. If they know that there is a problem, they take your money. Now, how do you see that? You see that in the stock. You see a stock, for example, it was 40 last year. This year is 20. What do you expect? You expect that this year from 20 it goes to 60? Okay? Since last year it lost money, most of the time it will continue going down because the company has problem. For us, like swing traders, we are not looking for the company it's lose business or not, because we don't see a lot of fundamentals. We see the price that gives us information that we need. We don't need the company thing because we are not investing. Now, this idea of looking at the industries and the sectors is one of the best ideas to look for stocks. Okay? This is what to watch. If industry is going up, you will find a lot of stocks going up. And then you choose what you want. And you can just experiment. Okay, what you should do, you just see the company, see this industry is going up, buy some stocks, even virtually, even on paper. Put their ticker, put the price you bought on, put the date, wait for 1 week, 2 weeks, and then check. Is it going up or going down? Now the chart with candlesticks, it gives you a better idea. Okay, it gives you a better idea than to use numbers and something. Okay, numbers, it's the same thing, but when it is visual in the chart, you will know where is the stock is heading. Is it going up or going down? If it's going down, you can even go check fundamentals if the company has problems. So you short it. You short it for a long time and you leave it. Okay? If it's going up, like most of the cases, you try to go long. Okay? Why I say this idea is worth $1 million? Because, you know, people who make the money follow the market and have a great speculation about the market. Okay? If something is moving, like for example, if you see metals, like precious metals, before 2011, you see that there is a big move. All the mutual funds, almost all the stocks that are mines, like gold mines, silver mines, all they go up together. You see gold, you see silver, you see a lot of commodities going up. Okay, especially precious metals. But 2011 in April, that was the highest peak. Now from 2011 it goes down. So a lot of people, they short those gold companies, mines, gold, silver, and they short it. That's why it goes down. Okay, and people will get a big profit from like 2008, 2011. Okay, they get too much profit. They sell. Now some people who don't know, they begin to buy at the peak 2011, and they see that they are losing money each day, each week, each month. And what the news and what the people say? Oh, buy. People are selling and they ask you to buy because it's precious metal, because it's gold. Yes, what is it? Gold. Gold. It was 1880 an ounce, and now it is 1300. So what do you lose? You lose $500 for each 1800. It's too much money. You lose it's around 23% of your money. And they say, oh, just hold because it's gold. I don't care if it is gold or silver or diamond, since I'm losing money. Okay, it's worth it to keep something that you lose money, whatever it is. And they say, oh, gold is better than paper money because paper money has no value. Oh, good. Okay, give me this paper money. Give me this money that you think they have no value. People, I don't know how do they think. I seen a lot of YouTubers asking people to buy gold and silver because it's for the future. And I said, you are losing money. How can you buy something and you lose money and you stay with it? Okay, don't be a loser. Something that go down, leave it. Either short it or leave it. It's going down. You are losing money. How can you buy something losing money and you stay? Okay? Now, as I told you before, these ideas, like this idea that I show you today, it's one of the most important idea in the stock market. People who see the big picture can make too much money. How you discover a stock? If you are not searching in the industry that's going up. For example, if you want to search Japan for gold, or let's say gold and gem most of the time, okay? Do you go anywhere, like any land like this, or a park, and just go and search for gold? You will never find. Where do you go? You go to a land bearing, a gold bearing land area. It means you go to a mine, or you go to a place that it is famous for finding gold or gems. Okay? You say, for me, yeah, it's logical. Yes, it's logical. So why are you going to find good stocks in industries that are going down? How can you find that? You will search that much, and it's rare to find a stock that it is against its industry. It's rare. But when the industry is going up, okay, you will find hundreds of stocks, and you choose from. Some are very, very wild. They can go very, very quick. They are fast. And some they are medium, and some they are slow. So it depends on you. Okay? It depends on you, on how you are searching and what you are looking for, and what is your risk factor. It means, are you comfortable with 2% or 10% risk or 20%? This depends on you, on what is your trading style. Okay? Hope you understand this idea, and hope you make money from this idea, because trading is so simple. Just find things that going up, you buy, you wait a few days, you get your money, and exit the trade. Is that difficult? I'm trying to show you a lot of ideas like this, but these ideas I'm using myself. It means I'm not going to give you something that I have read in a book or taken from another guy online or something. No. Okay? I always teach what I preach. Okay? Or it means anything I tell you, I have done it. And since I made money from it, I want to share with you all the possible good ideas that you can make money off. Okay? No one will give you a stock for free the first day it goes up. Okay? It's a big risk, but you can get too much money. You can wait for the trend to begin, and when there is a correction, you buy again. And this is what some people do. They wait, it goes up, it goes down a little bit, correction, 1 day or two, and then it goes up. They buy, and it's the same thing. Okay? So I hope you understand this lesson. Hope you understand this idea. If you have any question related to it, just please comment or send me a private message. Thank you very much.